Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change profile picture on Bereal. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to change your profile picture is really simple on Bereal. It needs just few simple easy steps, which starts from tapping open your Bereal account. So once you tap open your Bereal, you can simply tap open your profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Then simply tap on your name. There you can find set profile picture option. So once you're here, tap on camera or photo library and select any of the picture you want to set as your profile and hit the save button. After you do this, your profile picture will now be updated and changed into the picture that you have previously selected, either from your library or from your camera. So this is how you change profile picture on Bereal. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.